Hi, I'm Dr. Joseph Jacobs. If you want to slow aging, boost energy, and stay sharp as you get older, your diet is one of the most powerful tools you have. And today I'm going to show you which foods can actually help reverse the signs of aging according to science. Aging isn't just about wrinkles, it's about inflammation, oxidative stress, and cellular damage, all of which are driven or reduced by what you eat every day. A study in Nature Communications found that diets high in antioxidant-rich foods like berries, leafy greens, and nuts can slow down cellular aging by protecting your DNA from damage. Omega-3 fatty acids found in foods like walnuts, flax seeds, and wild-caught salmon are also crucial. Research from the Journal of the American Medical Association shows they help reduce inflammation and improve cognitive function as we age. Don't forget polyphenol-rich foods like olive oil, green tea, and dark chocolate. These compounds, fight free radicals and have been shown to reduce the risk of heart disease and neurodegeneration. But here's the truth. It's not just about eating healthy foods randomly. You need a balanced anti-inflammatory system to truly reverse the aging process from within. That's why I created the Start diet, which I outline step by step in my book, Eat to Heal. This isn't a fad, it's a doctor-designed, science-based approach to reduce chronic inflammation, restore energy, and support healthy aging naturally. And to help you apply it to your life, I'm offering a free health coach consultation. We'll help you personalize the ASTR diet to your goals so you can age with strength, clarity, and vitality. So click the link below to grab your copy of Eat to Heal and claim your free consultation now. You can't stop time, but you can take control of how you age. Let your food be your medicine.